Hi everyone! How are you? Today we are going to unwrap a package. A Filipina from Virginia cooks Filipino food and I ordered from her. This is my third time of ordering. So I ordered this last Saturday and I got it today, which is Monday. So let's open it. She wrapped it really good. She taped it really good. Ah. Yay! I'm excited. Sorry for the noise. The aircon is on. Ta-da-da-da, ta-da! So I have peanuts. Mani, lami, humot nga mani. Next is I have sisig. There, pork sisig, and lechon. Hala. Saan ka niya pakuha na mo? Ako'y lechon. Tara! Tara! Lechon. So, we'll see. This is Loida. Nilagyan na ng pangalan. Loida. The price, I will put it on the space below. I forgot how much, but including shipping, I paid 70 plus for the $70. So I have mani, pork sisig, and lechon belly. So malilibre na yung dinner namin tonight. Kakain kami ng sisig, tsaka lechon, at money for Seragana. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. If you want Filipino food, place your order or contact Rizel. I don't know if I'm saying her name right, but her name is Rizzelle. Rizel Nichols, or Nicholalds. That's her name. I will put it in the description below and you can contact her on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. God bless.